Hi, Lorie Burch here, your go-to wills and trusts attorney, here to talk about 3 reasons not to draft your will and legal documents online or with a do-it-yourself kit. The first reason not to draft your will online is you have nobody helping you with how to set up your beneficiaries. Did you know that whomever you put on your beneficiary designations for life insurance, retirement, or investments override anything a will says? So while you may think that you're controlling everything by filling out some simple form, you aren't even controlling the biggest chunks of your money. Even worse, if you have young kids listed as a beneficiary, the financial institutions won't care if you have a will with a trust in it for them. It's going to require a court to get involved to appoint who will oversee the money. It goes into the court registry, and age 18, it's given to them. Not the best age to be making financial decisions. The second reason not to draft your will online or with a will kit is that the way your will is signed is just as important as what it says. There are strict signing requirements when it comes to how these documents are signed, witnessed, and notarized. I even reviewed a will once where the individual and the 2 witnesses all signed on different dates. Guess what? That's not witnessing, and that's not a valid will. I often see people who also get their family members to be witnesses. That is no bueno. And unfortunately, most of the time when we find out that it wasn't signed properly is when someone has passed away, which is literally too late to get it fixed. Remember, there's no close in wills and probate. And the third reason not to draft your will and legal documents online is that you have no assurance or backup when a bank or a hospital rejects it. I tell my clients all the time, there's the real world and there is the legal world, and they don't always match. It is not uncommon for a bank or a hospital or even a funeral home to reject the document that you're trying to present to them. And if you got that form off the internet, you're going to think, well, it might not be valid and I don't have anybody to ask. But if you went to an attorney, you're going to pull out your phone and say, yeah, it's valid, and why don't we just talk to my attorney? I personally love being an advocate for my clients. And you're going to sound kind of cool that you've got a lawyer on call. Now, there are many more reasons I could go into, but I have good news. You can start your will online and have it drafted by licensed attorneys. Yes, at Burch Law, we have developed an exclusive online will app where you fill out our questionnaire online and we can quickly produce drafts for you. We'll even help you get them signed. At Burch Law, you can have your cake and eat it too. So don't rush to legal doom. Follow the link to get started on your will today or reach out to us with questions. And remember, if you don't have a will, the state of Texas has one for you.